Hi guys, I'm Nobunita. Welcome to my channel Foodies Pad. The festive saga continues with fun, light and madness surrounding Diwali celebrations. But before I talk about food, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for showering my last video with infinite love and support. Thanks to you all, it has crossed 1.1k views. Speaking of art, the painting that you see behind me is a special handmade gift made by my friend Ipshita. Beautiful, isn't it? When you receive more love, you become more responsible. This unprecedented response has prompted me to push the envelope further and give you guys a Diwali come thank you gift. Presenting edible Aarti Thali set. Stay tuned and keep cooking. Thank you guys and Happy Diwali!
Soft, fudgy, slightly chewy dough tastes delicious and comes together in less than 30 minutes. The fun begins when this pliable mass is transformed into delicate and edible puja articles. Involve the kids in the making or make it a family affair. I promise you that the happiness will multiply. P.S. Make extras as the adults will want it too, along with the kids, in this Diwali. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. You can use full fat or 2% milk. To enhance the flavor, you can use rose or keora essence. Adjust the level of sweetness as per your taste. Maintain medium to medium low heat throughout the cooking. Scrape the sides and bottom of the pan to avoid burning. While making the dough, don't leave it unattended even for a minute, as milk products have a tendency to burn quickly. Please watch my previous video for more tips and tricks on cooking milk for desserts. Don't overcook the mixture as it will harden, making the shaping process difficult. Cardamom powder adds aroma and a hint of sweetness. It is easier to roll and shape when it's warm. While rolling the dough, please ensure that neither it's too thick nor thin. Make it sturdy to hold the weight of the other puja articles. If you don't have a tart pan, Simply wrap a plate in parchment paper and shape accordingly. Let it dry for some time and unmold it carefully. This is one of the most difficult and ambitious video as I don't qualify even as a novice artist. Though it challenged me at a creative level, I'm quite happy with the outcome. I hope that you all will like the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Adjust the size of the sindoor dani as per the shape of the thali. Be creative. With my limited molding skills, I made a simple one. While molding, if the dough stiffens, then microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Work on the dough as quickly as possible. I have made an edible wig by mixing powdered sugar with milk. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. This video is also for viewers like me with vision but with limited drawing skills. With little help, even you can create beautiful pieces. I have used molds for making designs. Garnish with chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. The USP of the video is using the same dough to make this entire Aarti Thali set, requiring simple ingredients from your kitchen pantry. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.